Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is this leopard print design in some nice bright spring colours. Come on, bring on the spring. All the products that I'm going to use for this nail design are from Elegance, and I'm going to start with Butterfly's Buttercream. I've applied this in 2 thin layers. I find this colour just goes on better in 2 layers rather than 1. And then I'm going to use Short Skirt Flirt to create the middle portion of the leopard print design, and to create that I'm using the number 2 stylus. You can just use any dotting tool that you have. As you can see, I'm just using that colour and the stylus to just create random splodges over the nail. You don't want it to be too neat, too perfect, and you want to kind of space them out so they are random. The more random they are, the better the effect. Once that step's completed, we cure that one for 30 seconds, and then I'm going to use black tie buttercream with the stripy brush to create the outside pattern of the leopard print design. So I'm using the brush kind of on its side and just pressing the very end of the bristles of the brush to kind of create little dashes around those random splodges that we created. Again, we don't want this to be too perfect, because if you make it too perfect, it just looks odd. It doesn't look very realistic, and it doesn't end up looking like a leopard print. So try to kind of put your perfectionist brain to one side and try and make this nice and random to make it really realistic. Once that has been cured, we're going to go in with the flat matte top coat. I love matte finishes for nail art. I just think it brings out the details in it, and sometimes when it's a glossy finish it kind of takes away from the pattern underneath. So I chose to go over with a matte top coat for this one. It's one of these where when it comes out of the lamp, once it's been cured, it does still look shiny, but then once you remove the sticky inhibition layer, then it reveals the matte finish. So now it's cured, we can reveal that matte finish over the nail art. I hope you agree that I think this matte finish looks really good over the leopard print. And that is it. It's a really simple, easy design to create. It's just one that you need to put your perfectionist head to one side and try and make it as random as possible. The less of a perfectionist you are, the better for this one. But I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a like, because it really helps me to build my channel. And if you haven't done already, please do subscribe, and don't forget to turn the notification bell on so that you are notified when I upload my next video. But thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in my next one.